easy technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to bypass Windows 11's TPM requirement and upgrade from Windows 10. Now if you want to immediately upgrade to Windows 11 and bypass the TPM error message, you will need to be in the Windows Insider program. So to join that, you need to go to the Start menu and choose Settings. Go ahead and choose Update and Security. And then on the left hand side, you're going to find Windows Insider Program. Choose that. And then you're going to click on Get Started and follow the on-screen prompt for you to join the Windows Insider Program. And then choose one of the channels. So for me, I'm choosing the Dev channel, but you can use the other two channels as well. And then once you do that and you're successfully signed in, it will ask you to restart. So make sure you restart your computer and then exit this out. Second thing we are going to do is open up Google Chrome, and you're going to go to this website right over here. I'll be putting that link in the description below, so you don't need to memorize this. And find where it says skip TPM check on dynamic update v2.cmd. So all you have to do is select this whole command code and right click on it and simply choose copy. So you're going to copy only this whole code. Go ahead and minimize this, open up the Start menu and type in Notepad. Go ahead and open the Notepad and then simply right click and paste the code you just copied from the internet. Alright, once you do that, go ahead and go to File and simply choose Save As. And then we are going to save the file under Desktop. Save it as disable-tpm-check.cmd. Alright, and make sure it is under Desktop. Go ahead and choose Save. And go ahead and close this file. And as y'all can see, it is now saved over here. It has those little 2 gear icons, so that's how it should look like if you did this correctly. Alright, and now we're going to double click on it to run it. It's going to ask you if you want to make changes for Windows PowerShell, and it's going to open up this. Skip TPM dynamic check. Go ahead and press any key to enable that. And then note that if you run it again, it will re-enable TPM check. After this, if you are in the Insider program, Windows Update will start downloading and installing Windows 11. If you are already running Windows 11 and have been denied, that will download. If you are not in the Windows Insider program, you can still upgrade to the new OS by downloading a Windows 11 ISO file, writing it to a USB drive or optical disk, running the setup exe file from within Windows 10. So now we'll go to the Start menu, go to Settings, go back to Update and Security, and then you are going to choose Check for Updates or Resume Updates. So click on Check for Updates, it'll check. Alright, and as y'all can see, it is downloading Windows 11 Insider Preview, as well as some other Microsoft downloads and Intel downloads updates. And that will be it. Once this is complete, you will have Windows 11 without needing the TPM requirement, and you will bypass that error message. Alright, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, share it to all your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.